Hi, I'm Rick from Sarnia, Ontario, and I'm a Canadian Tire tester. The product they gave me to test is a T-fal Air Fryer with steam. This unit has air fry, grilling, and steam. There is temperature controls and timers on it, as well as automatic modes. Today, I'm going to be showing you baked potatoes as well as a grilled steak. And in this massive container, I have 2 baked potatoes that I'm going to start cooking. Okay, I air fried the baked potatoes and I've got one on the plate, and now the steak is done. And that was done on the grill. And there's the steak. The things I like about this air fryer is the multi-use of it, as well as the ease of cleanup of the container here. The thing I don't like about this air fryer is, what do you do with the cord? There's no wrap up on it for that use. Would I recommend this air fryer? Yes, I would. I would highly recommend it.